All right, guys, part 2 of our project. We're going to do the next part where we're going to take our image that we did last time, our drawing. So make sure you finish that first, and then we're going to take this and we're going to trace it. Okay, so you're going to take a piece of plastic transparency, and you're going to put it right on top of your drawing. I recommend that you use a paper clip so your paper and the transparency doesn't move around. Make sure it's not in the way. And what you're going to do is you're going to take a black Sharpie marker and you're going to outline all these lines. Okay, take your time, do quality work. The circle might be a little bit harder to do because you're going to freehand it. You don't have anything to go against, so just take your time. And you're going to go around there and make sure that everything looks good. Now when you do this, it's okay to have a little bit thicker, darker line for this project. So sometimes I actually go over it a couple times to make it stand out. Okay? But you're just going to go over top of everything that you did last time, making it look nice and neat. If things change a little bit while you're drawing, that's okay, because what you're drawing on here with the Sharpie will be the final. Okay? So if you made a few mistakes on the first one, this will be the one that gets seen and the one that we're going to use here for the final. Okay? If you have any like black areas, it would be okay to just go ahead and make those dark and black. Okay? I'm just going to go ahead and add a few more details here and kind of make sure I get everything filled in before I show you how to do the color part. Just going around stuff, making it stand out. Okay, I just want to do one more check. Looks like I got everything figured out and filled out. So next what we'll do is I'm going to turn it over. So I'm going to take this sheet. So this is the front and this is the back. Okay, how do I know it's the back? Well, everything's flipped. Okay, that's where we're going to put the color. Okay, so if you were to color on here, you can add a little bit of color, but it works better if you take a little piece of sandpaper and you're just going to rough it up in those areas where you're going to put color. Now you don't want to do it in the sky area because we want to see through that. But right here, like where the house is, where the snowman is, I'm going to rough it up a little bit. Okay? Just add a little bit of texture to it. So when you feel it, it should feel a little bit rougher. If you go outside the line a little bit, that's perfectly fine. Because again, this will get cut out. Just kind of rough up that plastic in those little areas. Okay? Now, when I go to color, make sure you have a clean oil pastel. Okay? So some people like to take it off to the side, get a paper towel, and then wipe it off. Works. But what you're going to do is you're going to actually color there. Now, you guys can't see that very well because it's white on white. But if I take this up here, you can see it probably better. But you're going to color in the areas in the back. On the front, then, is where it's going to show up. Okay? So if I take one of these old paintings here, and I put it on top, now you can probably see it a little bit better. Okay? For the house, I'm going to color on the back. This is my red, so you could probably really see that. And you just want a nice solid color because we don't want to see through this part of it. The sky part, yes, we do want to see through that part. Okay? But what you're going to do is you're going to work on the color part, and then that's where we'll be stopping for today. That'll be kind of a good stopping place. And then next time we'll start putting everything together for your winter snow globes. All right, guys. Can't wait to see how they turn out, and good luck with your work today.